Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel, and to start my day, I'll be having my breakfast here in Jollibee. Let's go! Waiting in line to order, and karamihan sa mga nandito ay mga Pilipino, pati ang cashier. And here is my breakfast guys after 1 million years. Egg and corned beef, hash brown, and garlic rice at may hot choco tayo. At nandito na tayo sa Chinshachoy train station guys. Unfortunately, hindi natin naabutan yung train. Like kakaalis sila niya talaga. Nagsasara na yung door. So, okay lang. So, let's just wait for the next train. And from there, dito tayo. At pupunta tayo ng Liking at magka-transfer tayo sa Tongchung Line. Ayan yung train ng Disneyland Resort Station guys. And ito naman yung Disneyland Resort train station at ang daming tao and lahat sila papunta ng Disneyland. Amazing. At kakalabas lang natin guys sa Disneyland Resort MTR station, and amazed ako kasi nung nakarating ako sa Liking para mag-change ng train, hindi ko in-expect na yung Liking station katapat lang na yung train papunta ng Sunny Bay. At nung sa Sunny Bay, yung papunta dito sa Disneyland katapat lang. So di ba? Less hassle siya. Kasi normally yung katapat niya is same na line pero in an opposite direction. Pero feeling ko lang yung mga trains na ito ginawa siya in anticipation na may Disneyland. Diba? Bongga. And of course, here we are. Diba? Amazing. So let's now have our picture here. Required na picture. Yan yung MTR station dito guys. At ito na ang lahat ng mga tao na nandito. Look at that. Ang dami nila guys. Grabe. Ito na tayo guys. Diba? So kapag pumunta kayo dito, hindi talaga dapat malimutan na makapag-picture sa arm. But this is not yet the main entrance. Ano pa lang to siya? Introduction. Diba? Kasi doon pa sa unahan yung main entrance talaga. And time check, I think it's already 11. Tingnan ko. Time check, it's already 11:02 in the morning. So medyo na late tayo ng konti guys. I think 10:30 siya nagbubukas. So anyways, kahit 10:30 yung nagbukas niya, hindi naman tayo agad-agad makakapasok kasi marami talaga ang pumupunta dito ng maaga. So yeah. Another thing is mahaba yung pila. Pero ngayon, hopefully, hindi masyadong maraming tao kasi weekdays naman. But since it's Christmas, we will expect na maraming tao. So malapit na tayo sa main entrance guys. At may statwa dyan guys ng dolphin I think na nakapatong si Mickey Mouse na nagsisurf. Diba? Or whale baka mo. And I think that is the main entrance going inside the resort. Tayo ay papasok na guys. Ay, without bags. Patay. Tayo ay papasok na guys. Maraming entrance. Meron doon, meron dito, meron doon. So marami. Kapag may bag ka dito ka para i-check yung ano mo. Bag. Yung iba guys, bibili pa sila ng ticket, at yung iba, feeling ko lang bumili sila ng fast track para hindi na sila maghintay sa pila. So, I think doon na yung chine-check yung ticket. Let's go na para makapasok na tayo. tayo ipapasok na guys. So I'll be doing a walking tour around here guys, papunta ng World of Frozen. So yun yung first na destination ko. So yeah. Ito yung makikita nyo dito guys. Maganda siya ha, in fairness. Art animation. So I don't know kung anong meron dito guys. Pero siguro maganda. Ayan. So photo printing. So may photography dito guys. And of course the main street station. So pwede kayong sumakay ng train. Kagaya ng ginagawa ng iba. And of course, ang kanilang bonggang Christmas tree. Look at that. Amazing. So, ito yung kahabaan ng guys, street. At doon sa likuran yung World of Frozen. Uy, ka-nice. Ibang bongga. So maraming ganap dito guys. Maraming mga stalls. Ewan ko kung para saan ko silang lahat. Basta yun yung castle talaga ang highlight. So may coffee, tea, and pastries. Center Street Boutique. So lahat pala ng mga buildings na to is functional. May ganap siya. At meron ding Main Street Market. Victorian Collection. Pag-picture muna tayo dito guys. Let us continue our walking tour guys. Parang may show na nagaganap doon guys.
time to feature the percussion section. Yes, Jeffrey Tuba. Solo trumpet. The Gingerbread Rock.
Ito yung ganap dito guys, may nag-perform na band and feeling ko Pinoy yun sila. And dito yung castle guys. And I think dito ginaganap yung fireworks. So yung portion na to napupuno to sa nanonood ng fireworks. So let's continue our walking tour. So pasok tayo dito guys, banquet hall. So a feast for kings and queens. So ano siya, kanaanan nato kung sa'yo na adiri guys. So ito yung ganap sa loob guys. So may mga tindahan. This way to Tomorrowland. At may carousel din dito guys. Ang laki ng carousel nila. Grabe. So may Winnie the Pooh doon, guys. So ito yung banquet hall. So pwede ditong kumain. At tingnan nyo naman ang carousel, guys. Ang laki, itang bongga. Sasakay tayo dyan mamaya. May toilet din ako nakita. So PhilHar Magic, guys. At nandun si Goofy. And ito, maganda to. Dumbo. Bongga. So punta tayo dito sa Winter Wonderland. Baka din dito yung rides ni Elsa. Duffy and Friends. Hindi pala yun, guys. So yan yung Winnie the Pooh. At punta na tayo sa World of Frozen. Yun talaga dapat ang ating unahin, guys, before anything else. World of Frozen. Guys, diba, bongga, malapit na tayo.
Last one.